Wellness Reset at Cafe Gratitude. This is the kick butt wellness reset. Talking about healing the body, talking about healing the liver, talking about healing the gut. It's only available for a limited time. It's at Cafe Gratitude. It's a wellness reset. It's dirt cheap. Guess what I'm making on it? Big zero. Because I just want people healing.
This is a cleanse that can benefit anybody, whether you're looking to let go of a little bit of weight or support healing energy or simply give your body a much needed tune-up.
It's the celery juice, heavy metal detox smoothie. It's the craving shifter shot. It's the spiced squash soup. It's the brain soother juice. It's the healing broth soup. The Dream Shifter shot, and you can do add-ons to this cleanse. You can do the Estonian stew, and you can do the massaged kale salad. I just want a healing cleanse in an amazing place like Cafe Gratitude so people can heal and move forward with their lives.
We've set up this reset to be as easy as possible for you. You can either come by one of our cafes and pick up a 1-day reset, or you can also order a 3-day reset online and have it delivered to your home.